A soccer match that made history in Paterson, New Jersey. The Colombian and Guatemalan national women's soccer teams faced off at Hinchcliffe Stadium. It is a former Negro League ballpark, renovated in a $100 million project. It can now host soccer, football, and baseball games.
I think it's really fun, and I just like watching the sport.
I watch women's soccer on television, so to see it happen right in my backyard, you know, I'm from North Jersey originally, and the fact that they're here, I'm in awe right now seeing these stars.
Colombia, by the way, picked up the win. The final score, 3-0.
That was the place to be last night.
Yes, good times.
All right, and unfortunately outside's not the place to be today.
Wah, wah.
Well, yesterday was so spectacular that this is kind of a letdown.
You're welcome. I can't, I'm sorry about today. We need, you know, some people didn't like the heat. They want the AC.
Exactly.
We're a tough crowd, I know.
I know,
Not easy to
geez,
please.
New Yorkers will let you know how they feel. So, yeah, it is a bit cool today, but it's actually on par where we should be this time of year. Take a look outside. You might actually be able to see some peaks of blue sky. That sun is really on the struggle bus, trying to poke through. Not really going to happen today, but the temperatures are not that bad. 62 degrees. Take a walk in the park if you can. We got some cloudy skies in the area. Temperatures around town and a little bit more inland. We're a bit warmer. We have 64 in Sussex, 61 in Morristown. As we get along the coast, we're in Belmont, 59, 59 Islip, and 58 Montauk. Easterly winds are cooling things down just a bit out east, but out west, it's a different story. Satellite radar picks up some precipitation in the form of rain northwest of the city. It looks like that is just pushing on to its northeast. So in our area, we're likely going to stay dry for the entire day today. Out west, maybe in suburbs of New Jersey, you could see a passing shower or two. The next 12 hours under a comforter of clouds, I shall say. 62 at 3 o'clock this afternoon. We'll stay within the 60s by 7 o'clock this evening, and then we'll dip in the upper 50s by 11 o'clock tonight. Again, the showers should not be a problem for today, but tomorrow things change. So the future casts again by 5:30 tonight. We could see Somerville. You look like you have a bit of some precipitation rolling through, but then as it heads east, it kind of disappears. But then tomorrow morning, things start changing. It's an AccuWeather alert day, really for the evening portion of tomorrow. So by 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, we could see some light rain go through for your morning commute. Temperatures are in the mid-50s at that time. We have a warm front moving through, so we have not only the warm air, but also moisture from the Gulf coming up. So by 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we're going to start seeing the skies ignite with some showers. So places like Morristown, Sussex, White Plains, you can start seeing some precipitation. Out east, not so much just yet. But as the day goes on into the evening hours, into the overnight hours, we really start gaining strength as a system. Moderate to heavy rainfall in places like Newburgh, White Plains, Sussex, Central Park. This is at 2 o'clock on Friday morning. This is the bulk of the AccuWeather alert, up to 1.5 inches of rain, also gusty winds and rumbles of thunder. We can get up to 50-mile-an-hour gusts with this. After that Friday, we have that light rain then. So it starts heavy and then it starts going lighter as the day goes through, and it's going to be windy. Those winds stay with us for Saturday. Things dry out. We have some peaks of sunshine, and then Sunday, it's warmer, a shower chance again at night. Of course, today we have, if you have some allergies, yes, the pollen is in the air. 64 is your high today. It stays dry in the city. 52 as a low tonight. And then we get tomorrow, AccuWeather alert. That's the increasing wind throughout the day. Rain, drizzle, heavy rain late overnight hours. 7-day forecast, and it's looking pretty good once we get past Friday midday. It looks like it gets cloudy and some peaks of sunshine. Thermometer, temperature goes up.
Okay.
See that, 72.
Oh, you like that on Monday? Mm-hmm. Just in time for the work week.
Yeah.
Thank you, Reagan. Yes. Still to come on Eyewitness News at noon, as a new episode of the FX hit series Shogun hits Disney Plus, we get a look behind the scenes at what makes the series a must-watch.